The U.S. stock market had a strong start in January. What's your expectation of how equities will do for the rest of the quarter and the full year?
Well, we think that the equity market over the next couple of months is going to still remain somewhat strong or heading in a positive direction. Over the course of the year, even though the year looks positive on the outlook and bullish, we think there should be one or two smaller or corrections or retractions back in the market, anywhere from 5 to 10%. So we should expect a little more volatility, but overall a positive year.
Well, let's just take the full year, because they usually say as it goes in January, as it goes in the first quarter, it usually follows through, but not always. So my expectation is for a very good year. If you look at GDP, with the new tax rates and all the incentives, that I think the markets will do very well.
Well, it is interesting you ask that, because over the last few years we've been looking at the market over 3-6 month periods, and really not that much longer in terms of making predictions. So for the next 6 months, we feel it's going to be a great market. Beyond that, we think it's anyone's guess, but probably will pull back quite some after that.
Well, in terms of the stock market, I believe in efficient markets. I don't think the stock market on the whole is predictable. I think we could say there's some consumer behavior right now of chasing returns, meaning more and more money is flowing into the stock market chasing returns. So that could lead to, doubt to the stock market continuing to rise, but it's not a prediction I can make. I think it's fair to say that expected returns going higher in the stock market really aren't there, and you might consider diversifying into other asset classes, particularly right now.